What does the JavaScript await keyword do? Imagine you're waiting for a package to arrive before you can continue with your day. In JavaScript, the await keyword acts like that waiting period, but for code. It pauses the execution of an asynchronous function until a promise is settled. This means it waits for the task to finish, whether it succeeds or fails, and then moves on. The beauty of await is that it makes asynchronous code look and feel like regular, straightforward code. You don't have to deal with complicated chains of, then, and catch methods anymore. To use await, you must place it inside a function that has the async keyword in front of it. When JavaScript hits an await statement, it stops executing that function until the promise it's waiting for is either fulfilled or rejected. If the promise is fulfilled, await returns the value that the promise resolves with. If the promise is rejected, await throws an error, which you can catch with a try and catch block. This makes error handling much easier compared to older methods. For example, if you want to fetch data from a website, you can write code like this. You declare an async function, then inside it, you write const response is equal to await fetch example.com/data. This line pauses the function until the fetch promise is resolved. Next, you can write const data is equal to await response JSON to wait for the JSON parsing to finish. Finally, you can log the data or do whatever you need with it. This way, your code reads more like a step-by-step process, rather than a tangled web of callbacks. Remember, await only works inside async functions or at the top level of modules in modern JavaScript. It's a powerful tool because it simplifies working with promises. Instead of chaining multiple then calls, you write code that looks sequential, making it easier to understand and maintain. When an error occurs, you can catch it with a try and catch block, which keeps your code clean and organized. In web development, handling data fetching, reading files, or waiting for timers are common tasks. Using await makes these tasks easier to manage. It helps you write code that is cleaner, more readable, and easier to debug. Understanding how await works is a key step in mastering asynchronous JavaScript, making your code more efficient and your development process smoother.